before you start on program 1, we want you to do a physical assessment. Now, don't let that scare you. I understand that any kind of assessments like that can come with all kinds of anxiety. Well, actually, this is day 1. This is ground zero for you. So during the physical assessment, you're going to work out where you are physically in terms of what exercises that you can do. This way you're going to be able to work to your optimum and get the most out of this 7-day trial. You'll also be required to measure and weigh yourself. Also taking an optional photo of yourself to use as a before picture. This can be something that you can then reflect back on, whether you choose to stay with Natural Bodies or whether you continue your journey with someone else, or even if you want to continue your journey on your own. You can always reflect back on this and just see how far you've come on your health and fitness journey. These photos won't be shared on any social media. They're not for us. They're solely for you to reflect on, should you wish to stay with us and share those before and after results. That's great. Let's be real though, in 7 days, you're not going to get ripped to death. This is just your starting point, your jumping off point to start your fitness journey. Okay, so what we need you to do now is download all the material that's down below on PDFs. You can print them off if you wish and get started. Let's put in this groundwork first. Let's not worry about what we can't do. Let's focus on what we can do. That is actually what's going to springboard us and push us forward. Okay, let me know how you get on. Add the comments in the section below. Okay, let's do it.